आज सभी अखबारों में छपा है कि मैंने कभी हिंदू मुस्लिम की बात नहीं की है, मैंने कभी ध्रुवीकरण की राजनीति नहीं की है। इससे और बड़ा झूठ हो ही नहीं सकता।
After Prime Minister Modi's clarification on his Banswara speech, the opposition has hit back. So what is the controversy and how has opposition reacted? Let's find out. In an interview, Prime Minister Modi clarified on the controversy that erupted after he made a speech in Banswara. Here is the speech made by Prime Minister Modi.
पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे।
Now the Prime Minister gave a clarification and said, and I quote, "The day I do Hindu-Muslim, I will be unworthy of public life and it is my resolve that I will not do Hindu-Muslim." Following this, Congress released a video on their social media handle with a caption that said, "Say chameleon or crocodile." The video shows snippets from Prime Minister's speech where he mentioned Muslims. Here is what they shared.
मुस्लिमों को दे दिया, मुस्लिमों का।
आज सभी अखबारों में छपा है कि मैंने कभी हिंदू मुस्लिम की बात नहीं की है, मैंने कभी ध्रुवीकरण की राजनीति नहीं की है। इससे और बड़ा झूठ हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि 19 तारीख से जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस घोषणा पत्र पर आरोप लगाया कि यह मुस्लिम लीग का घोषणा पत्र है, बाद में मंगलसूत्र की उन्होंने बात की, बाद में उन्होंने धन वितरण की बात की, जो हमारे न्याय पत्र में शामिल ही नहीं है।
Meanwhile, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi got back at Prime Minister Modi over his statement. He said, and I quote, "In his speech, Modi had called Muslims infiltrators and those with too many children. Now he is saying that he was not talking about Muslims. He never used the Hindu-Muslim angle. Why did it take so long to give this false clarification?" He added that Modi's political journey has been based solely on anti-Muslim politics. In this election, Modi and the BJP have spread countless lies and immense hatred against Muslims. He further went on and said, "It's not just Modi who is in the dock, but every voter who voted for the BJP despite these speeches." For more updates on Lok Sabha elections 2024 and news across the globe, keep watching the Indian Express.